Hi, good morning. My name is Annalyn Garcia. Today is November 30, 2019, and I'm here to do a video for Bio 225 Week 5. It is called Biochemical Testing for Microbial Identification, Carbohydrate Fermentation Testing. So I already cleaned my work surface and gathered all of my equipments. I already warmed all my phenol red broth to room temperature for like 30 minutes. And I already labeled all of them. So one is number 1 S-cerevisiae glucose, and then number 1 S. epidermidis glucose, and then number 2 is S. cerevisiae fructose, S. epidermidis fructose, and number 3 S. cerevisiae mannitol, and number 3 S. epidermidis mannitol. And also I already placed 6 Durham tubes and 2 dropper pipettes in the alcohol. And also I already have my candle here. And so the first thing I am gonna do is to do the S. cerevisiae number 1, this one here, and then I would have to disinfect it. I'll open it first, and I have to disinfect it in the lip of the tube and the flame. Okay, to sterilize. And then I would have to get my glucose powder, which I got from the carbohydrate fermentation testing packet. So I would have to get my glucose, this one here, and then I would have to transfer half of the contents here to this one. So I have to be very careful in transferring. Okay, and then oh shoot, I think I put more than half. And then pass the lip again to the flame. And then cap it again. And then shake the vial until there's no more powder, until the powder dissolves. And then I'll be doing this same procedure to all of them, to all of my tubes, to all my phenol red tubes. So the half of the glucose I'll put on the number 1 S. epidermidis glucose, and then I'll also do the same with the number 2 S. cerevisiae with the fructose, half of this, and then the other half on the S. epidermidis fructose. And it's gonna be the same with the number 3 S. cerevisiae mannitol and the S. epidermidis mannitol. And then after that, when the powder is dissolved, I would have to remove one of the Durham tube from the alcohol, and then make sure that it's dry. I have to make sure it's dry, and then I would have to open this glucose and put the Durham tube inside this. But this one, the opening of the Durham tube should point towards the bottom of the broth vial. So I would have to make sure that it's really dry. Okay, and then put it inside. And then I would have to remove one pipette from my alcohol, one dropper pipette, alcohol, and then I would have to get my S. cerevisiae active culture, and then to flame the lip of this one again, to sterilize it. Okay, and then I would have to transfer 4 drops of the active culture to each of the phenol red tubes labeled S. cerevisiae. So Okay, I would have to put 4 drops of this one to the S35BC8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then I would have to flame the lip again. And then cover. Okay. And then I'll be doing the same thing to the other red phenol red broths. And then after that, I would have to incubate them, the red broths, for 12 hours. And then I would have to observe each of the phenol red broths after 12 hours of incubation for color change. And if there are no changes in the colors, then I could incubate it for another additional 6 hours. And that's it for my video. Thank you.